Welcome to today's rest ritual by Zarine, Becoming the Light. This is a part of a 3-part series for February where it's about understanding yourself, finding compassion for yourself, and then becoming the light within yourself. Today's rest ritual is for those who give deeply and feel called to support others, yet need rest that restores rather than drains. It offers a reminder that presence itself is enough. The essential oil of choice for today's rest ritual is Frankincense or the Console Blend by doTERRA. It supports grounding, clarity, and inner steadiness. Go ahead and if you're using that essential oil, place a drop of frankincense or console into the palm of your hands and softly close your eyes, rubbing your palms together and gently bringing your palms up towards your nose, taking a deep breath in and exhale out. Just let it support a sense of grounding and inner steadiness. This is a beautiful practice to create support around you. Go ahead now and release your hands, letting them softly rest onto your thighs, or if you're lying down just beside you, settling into your body, feeling the surface beneath you, feeling yourself being supported. Allow the breath to even out. No need to deepen it. Bringing awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a soft, steady light, not bright, not expanding, simply present. This light does not need effort. It does not flicker. As you breathe, sense that your light is sustained from within, not pulled from you. And silently repeat, my presence is enough. I give without depletion. My light is steady and grounded. Just taking a few breaths to recognize all that is there. That light that is sustained from within. Just recognizing the idea of doing and letting that fall away. Just being is enough. Just being is sufficient. And now as we find an energized calm, we're going to inhale for 4, exhale for 4. If you're able to, do this through your nose. When you're ready, inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Just continuing that smoothness, that evenness. And imagine each breath polishing your inner space, clearing mental clutter, restoring clarity. And now bringing awareness back to the center of your chest. Imagine a small, steady flame there. Not dramatic, not demanding, just present. This flame represents your essence, untouched by stress, unchanged by circumstances. Sit with it. And now with each inhale, the flame grows brighter. With each exhale, it radiates outward. Imagine your presence offering calm, warmth, and clarity without effort. Silently repeating, I shine by being. I give by staying true to myself. Let this light extend beyond you, touching spaces and people effortlessly. Allow yourself to shine from within. Allow yourself to become the light. If you haven't returned back to your regular breathing, go ahead and do so. Just feeling that quiet confidence of your inner light. And when you're ready, slowly awakening your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, and just allowing yourself to feel that around you, to feel the light, to share the light, and bring calm illumination with you. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you for joining today's rest ritual.